Are we going to look at Luke or are we going to look down the barrel? Sometimes it's a bit weird if you look down the barrel, isn't it?
Yeah, I think that general direct. I'm awful at it anyway.
Right, okay, I'm going to look at you.
Right, so we're just having a little wander around the paddock. We bumped into Sam from McKee Motorsport. Sam's been absolutely awesome in my lead up to racing. Give me so much advice and info just about how the weekend pans out, and yeah, some pretty invaluable help. Sam actually does quite a lot for other people into motorsport as well.
Well, we try. When I first got into racing, I found that there's this sort of air of you need to have a tow car and a trailer and all this prep and have a spare engine and all this sort of stuff. And it seemed like it was being made out to be more daunting than it actually needs to be. So I turned up with this car, which arrived at the circuit with its number plates on for my first ever race, and in the wet managed to win my class against guys on trailers and that sort of stuff. And I sort of wanted to tell that story and make people feel that actually racing can be done on a sensible budget. It can be done prepping and running the car yourself. You don't need to pay teams. You don't need new tyres every time out. None of that. If you approach it in a sensible way, you can actually do it really efficiently. And there's a lot of people who I think want to get out and go racing, but find that they run up against that wall, that daunting barrier, and think, no, I need thousands per meeting, I need to have all this. The reality is you can probably get out there and make a decent fist of it. So I'm trying to get as many people as possible to do that. So far, I think 9 people have raced my car. I have to check. I started out sharing it with friends, did a couple of seasons of that, and now also some people are approaching me and paying to drive it. And also, I'm here today with a friend Neil doing his first race with 750 Motor Club, but I think his 22nd race overall in his star-studded career, including a 24-hour race win. So yeah, Neil's the 6th person to drive the car this year. The idea is to get it out there as much as possible and to get people on the grid, because honestly, I don't know about you, Nick, this is your second meeting.
Second race, yeah.
You can't have more fun with your clothes on properly, can you?
You can't. It's been a lifelong dream for me, and like you say, it's taken a lot of time and money and effort to get here. And the fact that you can open this up and share your car with people for a really reasonable fee, and people are here like living their dreams, what they've always wanted to do. Nothing better.
Yeah, the idea for me is if I could cover the cost of running the car and people get a good outing and have a great day, then fantastic. And you know, the thing's obviously competitive. We qualified on pole for Class C in 750 Motor Club Road Sports, and we're going to try and get a pot to take home for Neil's birthday later on today. Yeah, I mean, well, I have to keep my eye on the mirrors because Nick's coming through with an extra 150 horsepower, having qualified, is it 11 seconds up the road from me? 10 seconds up the road? And second overall in a 42 car grid. So, you know, he's all self-deprecating and saying about needing all the help to get here, but now he's here, flying. So I'm really interested to see how he goes as well.
Thanks, Sam, that's awesome. So yeah, if you guys want to check it out, McKee Motorsport on Facebook. Anywhere else?
Yeah, the website, and we'll maybe stick a link or something up. And
excellent. We'll chuck a link in the description.
Anyone is welcome to get in touch, whether it's for driving or for advice or just how to go about it as well. You don't have to be paying money to race the car or anything. Just talk to me and I'll try and help you into it.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Sam.
Happy days.
That was cool. I like that.
Cool. Good. You said 2 minutes. I gave you about 5, but that was 3.
That was 3.
That's just what I do.